Hello children, I Reena Singh welcome back to the online classes. Children, today we are going to study chapter 2. The name of chapter 2 is Computer, a Machine. Children, in this lesson we will know about machine and their work and also know how machines are important in our life. So let's start chapter 2, Computer, a Machine. Now children, let's start chapter 2, Computer, a Machine. Children, you see many things around you like tree, animal, chair, table, sun, plant. Many things you see. Children, some are natural things and some are man-made things. Do you know what are natural things and man-made things? Then listen. The things which are created by God, that are natural things like sun, moon, mountain, tree, animal, flowers, and the things which are created by human, that are man-made things like chair, table, TV, fridge, etc. Now see children, here given calculator, juicer and fan. These are machines. Children, these are machines. And machines are man-made things, children. Machines are man-made things which make our work easier and faster. They help us to do different types of work. Children, each machine has different work. And all machines have some things in common, like machines work fast, machines make our work easy, machines save our time, machines cannot work on their own. All machines are important in our life, like washing machine. See children, washing machine washes our dirty clothes. And vehicles also. Vehicles are very important in our life. Now all machines are very important in our life. Now turn your page children. See children, all machines are divided into different categories. Like most of the machines run on electricity. Washing machine washes our dirty clothes and it runs on electricity. Mixer also. Refrigerator keeps eatable things cool and fresh. Now some machines are run on fuel, petrol and diesel. Like aeroplane runs on fuel, car, bus, bike, scooter runs on fuel, and these are very important for us. Now some machines work with human power like rickshaw, swing machine and bicycle. And all machines are doing different work in our life. In the same way, a computer is also machine and it runs on electricity. Children, a computer can do many work now see what can a computer do. Here computer is saying about itself. Computer says, I am a smart machine. Children, you know very well computer is a smart machine because it can do many work. And computer never make mistakes also. Computer never get tired. And computer can store many things like words, numbers and pictures also. And computer can work very fast. Computer work when it get orders from human. Now, so computer can do many work and it never make mistake, it never get tired also. So it is called a smart machine. Now children, turn your page. Now children, come to the book exercise. Question number A, fill in the blanks. See children, here given hints. Fill in the blanks using the given hints. Now 1. A computer saves our time. T-I-M-E. Second, a computer works very fast. F-A-S-T. Third, a computer never gets tired. T-I-R-E-D. Fourth, a computer never makes mistakes. M-I-S-T-A-K-E-S. Now come to the question number B. Write true or false. 1. An aeroplane is a machine. It is true. Second, a computer makes mistake. It is false sentence. So here false should be. Third is machines do not save our time. It is also false. Fourth one, a washing machine runs on fuel. A washing machine runs on fuel. It is also false. Now come to the question number C. Take the best answer. 1. Machines make our work easy. Second, a dash runs on fuel. So here a car runs on fuel. Now third is a computer works very fast. Now fourth is a computer runs on electricity. Now come to the question number D. Match the following. Children, here Jerry is a naughty mouse and he does not know the functions of different machines. So you have to help Jerry match the right things with the right machine. So first column is machine and other column is things. Now machines are toaster, washing machines, juicer and music system, and things are fruits, CD, bread slice and dirty clothes. So toaster is matched to bread slice. Washing machine is matched to dirty clothes. Juicer is matched to fruits and music system is matched to CD. Okay children, now come to the question number E. Answer in one word. 1. Write the name of any machine. Children, in this question you have to write any machine name. I have written fan. F-A-N, fan. Question number 2. Name a machine that works with human power. Bicycle. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Now third is name a machine that runs on fuel. Car. And fourth one, name a machine that can do many things at a time. Answer is computer. Now children, come to the page number 14 and 15. Page number 14 and 15 are homework. So you have to do this work. Now come to the copy work. So take your copy and make 2-line headline and write lesson 2, lesson name, computer a machine, left side date and right side classwork. After headline, you have to leave one line. Children, there are 8 words in this lesson. So first word is machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Children, you have to write 4 times to each word. Now second word is things. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. And third is electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y, electricity. And fourth is fuel. F-U-E-L. Now turn your page. And next word, fifth word is mistakes. M-I-S-T-A-K-E-S, mistakes. Sixth word is tired. T-I-R-E-D. Seventh word is store. S-T-O-R-E. And eighth word is easy. E-A-S-Y. Now come to the question answer. So first make 1-line headline, date, classwork, and first question answer. Now start question number 1. What is a computer? Put question mark. Answer. A computer is an electronic machine. Put full stop and leave 1 line. Then start question number 2. Name any 2 machines which run on electricity. Answer. Computer, television. Now B part. Turn your page. B part, run on fuel. Children, you have to write 2 machines name which run on fuel. Answer. Car and train. C part, machines which run on human power. Answer. Bicycle and rickshaw. Now children, copy work is over. Thank you everyone.